Here's a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. Designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires, it boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, rear camera parking sensor, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, active noise cancellation, aluminum wheels, 4 12-volt power outlets, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.